So yeah, in this video we're going to talk about how we can download VirtualBox and use the VirtualBox to install the operating system and use it for our testing or any other purpose. Okay, so the first thing first, we are going to open Chrome and search for VirtualBox download. Okay, so just go ahead with this Oracle VirtualBox website, official website, and go for downloads. So here you could find the particular operating system where you gonna download a VirtualBox. So we are just using Windows, so we are gonna click on Windows host. So let it be download. It will download according to the network speed which you have, and let's gonna click this. Okay, it started its process of installing the VirtualBox in the system. So let's click on next, accept the license, next, and you can change it according to your convenience, that where you want to set the VirtualBox base folder. Let it be the same one as of now. So let me just click on next and give next, yes, and we can give yes if it by default it's gonna install. Okay, so I had the start menu, create a desktop shortcut, start by default when opening dot. Okay, next, so ready to install, click on install. So it's just gonna do its job by installing all the things, required dependencies. So just give it finish, and it's gonna start the VirtualBox. Okay, so that's how we download VirtualBox and install on our system.